Want to connect Sony noise-canceling WH-1000XM6 headphones to iPhone? Watch this. Ensure your headphones are charged. Then, we need to turn them on. Press and hold the power button on the left ear cup until the indicator light turns on. After turning them on, press and hold the power button again for about 7 seconds until the indicator light starts flashing blue rapidly. On your iPhone, open the settings and go to the Bluetooth section. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. You will see a list of available devices. Find the device named WH-1000XM6 in the list and tap on it to start pairing. Wait a few seconds for the connection to be established. Once successfully connected, you will see the status "Connected." And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful guides.